Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we turn everyday skills into little income sprouting machines. Today we're diving into the universe of side hustles, the small, flexible, wallet-warming ventures you can start right after watching this video. Whether you want extra cash for savings, investing, or just padding your monthly comfort zone, I've got a handful of practical, modern side hustles that actually work. Let's unlock them. 1. Freelance micro gigs. Think of freelance micro gigs as the spark plugs of the digital world, tiny tasks that light up your income without burning your time. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you sell small services, writing short descriptions, data entry, simple graphic design, translating, or editing. Why it works. Zero upfront cost. You can do it in 10 to 30-minute bursts. You build a digital portfolio automatically. Quick hack. Start with a low-commitment service. For example, I will write a catchy product description in 24 hours. Then add small upsells. A few $5 to $20 gigs per day turns into real money. 2. Selling digital downloads. Digital products are like financial magic. You make something once, and it keeps earning while you sleep, or binge Netflix. Ideas that don't require special skills. Budget templates. Fitness trackers. Digital planners. Study sheets. Phone wallpapers. Printable kids activities. Platforms. Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Hack. Start with templates. They take the least time to create and sell extremely well. 3. Flipping items for profit. Treasure hunting meets capitalism. Flipping is one of the oldest side hustles, and still one of the most profitable. You can flip thrifted clothes, small electronics, tools, furniture, vintage items, video games, platforms, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Vinted, Depop. Pro tip. Look for items that only need cleaning, better photos, or a new description. Low effort, high return. 4. Delivery and gig economy apps. Alright, if you want a hustle that pays today, delivery apps are the turbo button. Uber Eats, DoorDash, Just Eat, Deliveroo, depending on where you live. Why people love it? Instant payouts. Choose your hours. Works even with a bike. Hack. Work during weather moments, rain, cold, evenings. Demand spikes, and so do the payouts. 5. Content creation. You don't need to be famous or polished. You just need to be consistent. Choose a platform. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Long Form. Pick one topic you enjoy and share simple, snack-size content. Monetization routes. Ad revenue. Affiliate links. Sponsorships. Selling digital products. Beginner-friendly hack. Start with shorts. They grow faster and require less editing. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the whisper method of earning. Recommend a product you use, someone buys it, and you get paid, quietly, in the background. You can promote Amazon products, software tools, books, fitness gear, courses. Share your links through TikTok videos, Pinterest posts, YouTube descriptions, your Instagram bio. Hack. Use phrases like, "Here's the exact tool I used," natural, not salesy. 7. Online tutoring or teaching skills. If you can explain something without confusing people, congratulations, you're already a tutor. You can teach languages, math, coding basics, Photoshop, music, even homework organization, platforms, Preply, Superprof, Cambly, Wiseant. Hack. Offer micro sessions, 20-minute focused lessons. They're easier to book and easier to fit into a busy schedule. And there you go. 7 side hustles that don't need a mountain of cash or a time-eating commitment. Remember, your first dollar from a side hustle isn't just money. It's a tiny flag claiming a new piece of your financial independence. If you want more guides like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which hustle you want to see a full tutorial on. See you in the next one.